This video will introduce how to use the Osmo Action series cameras underwater. Usage notes without a case. Before using the camera underwater, check the maximum waterproof depth of the camera. Make sure that the battery compartment cover, USB-C port cover, and lens protective cover are firmly mounted and fastened. When using the camera underwater, use with the Osmo Action floating case, which wraps around the camera. In addition, the floating case comes with a safety lanyard. If the camera accidentally falls into the water, the camera will float to the surface with the help of the floating case. The bright orange color of the floating case makes it easier to locate. Waterproof case and floating handle. It is recommended to attach the Osmo Action 60-meter waterproof case to the camera when using it while diving, surfing, or underwater for an extended period. Open the lock buckle. Lift the back cover. And ensure that the case is dry and clean. Make sure the rubber seal is clean and firmly secure during use. After setting the shooting mode and parameters, place the camera into the waterproof case according to the direction indicated on the sticker on the case, and place the anti-fog fiber inside. Lock the waterproof case and secure the buckles. A click sound indicates that the installation is complete. The waterproof case features buttons on both the top and side, corresponding to the camera shooting button and quick switch button respectively. When using for diving, it is recommended to use the DJI floating handle. Attach the waterproof case to the floating handle and tighten the locking screw to mount the waterproof case onto the floating handle. If you let go of the camera while diving, the floating handle will float to the surface. Cleaning. Rinse the camera with clean water after using it underwater. Wipe the surface of the camera with a soft, dry cloth. Completely dry it before using it again. And after using the camera in water, open the battery compartment cover facing downward to prevent water from entering the battery compartment when replacing the battery. Wipe off any droplets in the battery compartment and clean the red waterproof rubber ring to prevent any foreign matter from remaining. Otherwise, it will affect the waterproof performance during subsequent use. Do not dry the camera with hot air by using a hairdryer. Otherwise, the microphone membrane and the built-in breathable membrane will rupture, and the camera will no longer maintain its waterproof performance.